I suppose the last time I did any training was in college, and obviously IT has come a long way. My name is David Chaffee, and this is my guide dog KP, who comes to work with me every day. I work for Nair and Bevan University Health Board. I'm currently the Disability Inclusion Officer. The apprenticeship opportunity came through to me on an email, if I'm being honest, and I quite liked the sound of it. I wanted to build my skills in the ICT sector. There was a lot of software packages that I wasn't utilising, but wanted to. I did the ICT Level 3 diploma. So because I'm not able to see the screen, I'm completely reliant on JAWS, which is a screen reader. My employer was very supportive of my apprenticeship. I learned new skills. I would definitely recommend an apprenticeship, even if you need additional support, because whoever is delivering the apprenticeship, they work with you. So I explained how I needed to learn to them, and then they adapted the training. That was the starting block, really. I became their Disability Inclusion Officer. So I work with different groups to understand the barriers that are faced by disabled people, and then work with them to either reduce or remove the barrier. Without it being inclusive for me, I wouldn't have been able to do the ICT Level 3. So it was about how we can make it more inclusive.